there, welcome to Food on My Mind. Today I'm going to make peanut butter and Nutella sandwich. This is a super easy dessert to make and you can eat any time of the day. We need only 4 ingredients in this recipe: bread, Nutella, peanut butter and simple butter 2 spoons. The cooking time of this dish is 4 minutes. So I'm using multi-grain bread here and Fundus peanut butter. Let's start with spreading peanut butter on the bread. Take 2 spoons of peanut butter and apply on the bread evenly. Do not miss any spot on it. Now take second slice of the bread and apply Nutella on it evenly. You can use more than 2 spoons of Nutella if you like Nutella. Now my bread slices are ready to cook. I'm doing a pan fry of it using 1 spoon of butter and another spoon of butter on the top of the bread. So I'm just doing simply pan fry for 1 or 2 minutes until it becomes golden brown. So you can see it is turning into golden brown. It's ready to eat now. This sandwich melts in your mouth. I think you should try it at home. Thanks for watching.